विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आपण ब्रिज कोर्स अंतर्गत इंटरॉगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स अभ्यासत आहोत. यापूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये इंटरॉगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स मधील WH क्वेश्चन, त्याचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन कशा प्रकारे असतं, त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं असतं हे आपण अभ्यासलेले. त्याचप्रमाणे WH वर्ड्स who, when, where, which, how यासारखे WH वर्ड्स आपण पाहिलेले आहेत. त्याचप्रमाणे जे स्ट्रक्चर असतं ते स्ट्रक्चर आपण अभ्यासलं. जसे WH वर्ड, त्यानंतर हेल्पिंग वर्ब, त्यानंतर मेन वर्ब नंतर सब्जेक्ट, त्यानंतर रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेन्स आणि शेवटी क्वेश्चन मार्क. ही रचना आपण WH क्वेश्चनच्या संदर्भामध्ये अभ्यासलेली आहे. Now in today's our video we are going to see the next activity. Here we have to see to enable students to frame WH questions after looking at a picture or reading a text. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, यापूर्वी आपण एक एक प्रश्न कशा प्रकारे तयार करायचा हे पाहिलं. आता आपणाला एक पिक्चर किंवा एखादं रीडिंग टेक्स्ट दिलं जाईल आणि हे पिक्चर किंवा रीडिंग टेक्स्ट हे आपण पाहायचं आणि त्याचा निरीक्षण करून त्याच्यावर आपण WH क्वेश्चन्स तयार करायचे आहेत. Now let us see the first activity. Complete the following questions. Here we are given one image. Here it's an image. In this image we can see some children are there and that children are enjoying a rainfall. They are playing in a mud. After looking their faces, we came to know that they are very happy. They are enjoying. At the same time, we can see Surf Excel, that powder pouch is there. At the same time, soap is also there. And it is written, Daag Achhe Hai. It is an advertisement related to Surf Excel. Now, by observing this advertisement or by observing this picture, it's a question. Complete the following questions. Here, who, where, what, why, and when. These 5 WH words are given. Mitra ho, who, where, what, why, आणि when या WH शब्दांपासून सुरू होणारे या पिक्चरला, या इमेजला अनुसरून तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न तयार करायचे आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, who are playing in the mud? See, there are 4 children. We can ask a question, who are playing in a mud? Then the next question is where. Where are children playing? They are playing in a mud. Where are children playing? Then the third one is what. What is the name of the soap or a powder? Here it's a Surf Excel. What is a name of soap? In this way. Then the fourth one is related to the WH word why. Why are they happy? As they are playing in the mud, they are enjoying. As a result, they are happy. Why are they happy? Then the next question is related to the WH word when. When are they playing? When are they playing? In short, by observing this image, we have to create 5 questions related to who, where, what, why, and when. Okay, students, now just like the picture of Surf Excel advertisement, here one more advertisement is there. It is for your practice. It is an advertisement related to Bornvita. Tayari Jeet Ki. This is the title. This advertisement you might have seen. Bornvita belongs to Cadbury. Okay. Now by observing this picture, you yourself have to create 5 questions related to who, where, what, why, and when. These 5 questions you have to write in our practice notebook. Okay. Now one more activity related to WH words. Earlier we had seen 2 images. Now a text is given, and by reading the text we have to create some WH questions related to what, where, who, or in this way. Now let us see first of all what is there in the passage. I will read the passage. Pay attention. One Sunday morning, I received an invitation from a friend of mine, Mr. Sudhir. As I had come from the UK back to my native land, I got up early in the morning and started preparing myself. My sister gave me a cup of tea early in the morning. Then I took my bath and got ready. My sister then again asked me to take some snacks and tea, but I refused to take as I was very anxious in getting to my friend's house. She kept insisting me to take a heavy breakfast, but I did not care for it. I walked out to the bus stop. Soon a bus came and I got into it and asked the conductor for a ticket for Barber Lane. The conductor frowned at me, saying this bus is not going to Barber Lane. It is going in the reverse direction. You can get down at the next stop and catch another bus. I was baffled for some time at this sudden bit of information. Then I alighted from the bus and again waited for the next bus for Barber Lane. Friends, here a text is given. This is for your homework. You have to read this text carefully and you have to solve the same activity like the image we have just seen by taking WH words like who, what, when, where. You have to create 5 questions related to the particular that passage. Okay. Now one more text is there. You have to read the text carefully and write 5 questions to be asked on the passage given below. थोडक्यात आपण क्वेश्चन या ठिकाणी WH क्वेश्चन तयार करायला शिकणार आहोत. First of all, we'll read the passage and then see the activity. Once upon a time, in a desert far away, there was a rose who was so proud of her beautiful looks. Her only complaint was growing next to an ugly cactus. Every day, the beautiful rose would insult and mock the cactus on his looks, all while the cactus remained quiet. All the other plants nearby tried to make the rose see sense, but she was too sweat by her own looks. One scorching summer, the desert became dry, and there was no water left for the plants. The rose quickly began to wilt. Her beautiful petals dried up, losing their lush color. Now, friends, we had just read the passage. Now, related this passage, we have to frame WH question. Now, we will ask question related to who. Who was proud of her beautiful looks? You know, that Rose. Who was so proud of her beautiful looks? What? What was the complaint of a Rose? What was the complaint of a Rose? Where was the Rose? Where was the Rose? Who did remain quiet? In which season desert became dry? Here you can ask with your own imaginations more than 5 questions also. Okay friends, in this way we had seen 2 paragraphs, and here we had seen how to ask the questions related to the paragraphs. Now some questions are there for your practice. This Bornvita's Tayari Jeet Ki, you have to observe the image carefully, and by observing the image you have to create your own 5 questions. Then one more passage we had seen, this text, you have to read the text once again and you have to create 5 questions related to these passages. Okay, thank you. You have to complete whatever you have done. Okay, have a nice day.